Guys, welcome back to J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my original Yaard style fried chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my chicken already cleaned and washed. I also have some paprika. I also have some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper and salt. So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and season my chicken. So first, I will just go ahead and add the paprika. I'll also go ahead and add the all-purpose seasoning, and basically I'm using Maggi all-purpose and the Island Spice, all-purpose seasoning. Now guys, if you have other seasoning at home for chicken, you can go ahead and add it. Alright, always remember that cooking is easy. Utilize whatever you have at home. So what I'll do, I'll just use my hand to just rub in the seasoning, and basically after my chicken has been seasoned, I'll just place it in the fridge, cover it, place it in the fridge for roughly 2 hours. Just leave it there to marinate. Then I'll just come back and show you guys what I will do next. Alright. So guys, now it's time to go ahead and season my flour that I will use to coat my chicken. So basically I'm just adding some all-purpose seasoning and some paprika to it, and I'll just go ahead and combine everything together because you want to ensure that it is evenly distributed. Alright. So guys, now it's time to go ahead and prepare my chicken. While I'm doing this, I have my frying pan on the stove that I'll fry my chicken in. I already added 2 Scotch bonnet pepper to the oil to just allow it to just burn a little because we want to extract all of that flavor. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my chicken in the flour, and I'll just go ahead and just remove any excess flour by just shaking off the excess flour off the chicken. Alright. And also guys, just to know, the flour that I'm using is just regular counter flour. You can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop, wherever you go. Alright. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and place my chicken in the hot oil. As I had said earlier, I added 2 Scotch bonnet pepper because I want to just extract all of that flavor. If you guys want to go ahead and add garlic, or if you guys want to go ahead and add a piece of thyme, that is even better. Alright, so I'll just allow it to just fry on one side for roughly about 7 to 10 minutes. Then I'll just flip it over on the other side to allow it to fry also. And basically I'm just going to continue to do that until my chicken fry, because we don't want any chicken that is not fried properly. So you just want to ensure that you monitor your chicken. So I'll just do that, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like basically once it's finished frying. Alright, so guys, this is what my chicken looks like. nice color. So basically I'm just removing the chicken from the oil and place it on a napkin so that the excess oil will be drained. So I'll just show you guys the final product in a minute. So guys, this is the final product of my original Yaard style fried chicken. Guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. I hope you guys tell your friends, tell your family members about Carly J's Kitchen. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like this video, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome video. Bye.